Welcome to the conclusion of the final Python Mastery course. Congratulations on completing this journey from beginner to advanced Python developer. In this video, we will recap everything we have learned and explore the next steps in your Python journey. Over the past 2 months, we have built a solid foundation in Python programming, from understanding the basic syntax and data structures like lists and dictionaries, to mastering object-oriented programming and advanced topics like machine learning and deep learning. You have covered a lot. We have worked on real-world projects like a bank account system and a web scraper, giving you practical experience in Python that will serve you well in future endeavors. So what's next? Keep pushing your skills further by building personal projects. The more you practice, the more you will improve. Dive deeper into advanced topics such as machine learning or web development frameworks like Flask and Django. You can also contribute to open source projects, which is a great way to collaborate with other developers and enhance your skills. Finally, start applying for Python development roles or internships. It's the perfect time to take the next step in your career. Stay connected with the Python community, join Python meetups, engage with fellow developers online, and keep learning by following Python blogs and influencers. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying informed will help you stay ahead. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and advanced Python topics. I will be covering new concepts, real-world projects, and Python libraries that will keep you on the cutting edge of development. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments and ask any questions you may have. I am here to help. And finally, thank you. Thank you for being a part of this course, for your dedication, and for taking the time to master Python. I hope you have found this journey valuable and are ready to tackle even more challenging projects ahead. Happy coding, and I wish you all the best on your Python adventures.